So one of my projects is fixing these cedar boards on this, I don't know what you call it, bridge if you will, over to the island down here at the pond. I got a few in the other day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I need some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 26, 27, 28, 34, 35, 36, 37, 42. $42 more 2x6s. Let's go see how many we got. Need 42. We got 7 from 42. What that be, about 34. They're 10-foot long boards cut in half. So I need 17 2x6s in cedar. I don't know if I got that many logs. Got this log here, and the boards on the boardwalk down at the pond are 5 feet in length, and I can tell by looking at this log it's greater than 5 feet. I mean, greater than 10 feet. So it's got a curve down here at the end. Somebody might say, well, why are you cutting the big end off? Well, it's got a little curve down here at this big end, and you're not gonna make any bigger lumber if I cut it off the small end. I don't think I am anyway. But you know what? I think I will square that end off. I always use a stump to set stuff on. Wondered what's going through people's minds at the sawmill. Well, may not be any interest to you, but I'm going to just sort of tell you what I'm thinking while I'm doing. What I'm thinking right now is I want to let that log down there easy, so if there's a baby sleeping on the deck, it wouldn't wake up. Mission accomplished. So I want to get my log stopped. So I'm thinking I want that secure. And what's going through my mind right now is I'm having laser issues. Nothing wrong with the lasers, something wrong with the wiring, and that's on me. So what I think I'm going to do, I may do that tomorrow, is I'm going to rewire the lasers. And I know some of you have probably the same questions I have. Well, how did you wire your lasers in? And it's, you know, it's pretty simple electricity, I thought, but my one on the driver's side or the non-operator side works fine. The one on the operator side's not working. I don't know what's going on. I'm not an electrician, but like I say, it's you know, it's simple wiring, and it's worked for a long time, but it's not working now. I put some heat on it the other day, and it would flicker and flash. So I don't know if it's got moisture in the line or what. But anyway, that's for another day.